YouTube? This is your girl D Spoiled Ass TABRON coming to you with another video. And today's video is going to be me unboxing my Holy Grail, my accomplishment to get to this point in my life. I'm excited because I've been wanting this bag forever and now I finally got it. But before I get started, I want to go ahead and give a shout out to 3 of my subscribers who left me a comment on the last video and saying thank you for watching my videos, thank you for responding. And those 3 people are Tara Turner, thank you, Black Lady Chemist, thanks girl, and Cindy, I'm sorry if I butcher your last name, Grullon, G-R-U-L-L-O-N, thanks lady. Thanks for watching my channel, thanks for sharing your comments, I do read them, and as you know, I do respond. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and do this video because I have been waiting. I've been holding on to this bag. I haven't unboxed it. I haven't opened it. I haven't did anything. I got it. What? Last week I paid for it and then I did the 1-day shipping and I just been holding on to it. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and do this. So, I did buy this item from Fashionphile, because it is a pre-love item. You can only buy a pre-love now. You can no longer buy it, you know, from Chanel because they don't offer it anymore. So, here is my box, you guys. Not tampered with. Okay, here we go. So I probably already gave it away. I did say that it was a Chanel item in my last video too. So here is the Fashionphile box. It comes with the, this is a big box, you guys. Like a fee. Set this to the side for a second. Here is the bottom of the box. I do have my card with my proof of purchase inside. And now that Fashionphile has partnered up with Neiman's Marcus, they did change their card there. They sent me another fingernail file. And this time on one side it says Fashionphile. And on the other side it says, I like my money where I can see it. Handbag and, let's see, handbag and, I can't see, and closet. That's me. Hopefully it focuses and you can see it. So that was the first time I ever got one with the saying on the back, so that's different. And in here, you guys, it's just the Make It Rain, the confetti. Makes it even better. And here's my thank you card. Oh my goodness, you guys, So, here is the box. And the sticker says, the used is the new. I still have confetti falling out everywhere. Okay. This item was in excellent condition. It came with everything. Oh my goodness, guys. It's still raining confetti paper everywhere. Okay. Here is the box. Here is the camellia flower. And let's open it up. Anybody know what it is? If so, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think it is. And the first one who get it, I'll do a shout out and let you know you were right. Okay, so pulling it out of the bag, the box. My authenticity card came out. And I do believe it came with the Chanel dust bag, but you know, Fashionphile always put their give you their dust bag too. So here is that. Oh my goodness. Just gorgeous. And I did call, well, when I seen this on Fashionphile, I know y'all like, come on, show me, show me. When I seen it on Fashionphile, you know how you can call and you can ask them to look at it for you and tell you with the condition and everything. That's what I did. And I believe her name was Sally. She went and looked for me and everything was just right on point. She said everything was cool, and so far she was telling the truth. Okay, so without further ado, you guys, here she is. My Chanel GST and caviar leather with silver hardware. Oh my God, you guys. If you knew the struggles that I've been trying to get this bag, not because I couldn't pay for it, but every time I seen it on the website, somebody always beat me to it. And I was like, okay, I'll wait. And then I had it in layaway twice, and I canceled it to do some other things. And then I was like, you know what? I'm not canceling if I decide to put it in layaway again, if I catch it, because it never makes it to the after the 5 days. So this time I was like, I'm just gonna have to do it straight out. And lo and behold, your girl did it. She just bought it straight out. Like, I'm done fooling with this. So you guys, here is the, see the, I see no scratches. Here is the tag. And it do say Chanel Caviar Quilted Grand Shopping Tote. Comes with box, dust bag, and authenticity card. Let me see. I didn't see the dust bag. Okay. Here is the dust bag. It says Chanel. Goodness. And it has the little care packet booklet that says Chanel. Let's see how this zipper is, you guys. And when I say I stocked YouTube, I've seen this bag plenty of times, and by me wanting it so much and you just watching videos, you're looking for the latest videos on what you're interested in, and I was just like, okay, I gotta find some more videos. So I just kept watching and watching, and oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. So here is the inside. You got the pocket there. You got a pocket up here. You got the deep part down here. And you got this part here, which is deep. You guys, I am just in love. I even watched so many videos. I've learned the tricks and the trades when you're putting it on your shoulder, so when it don't fall, you crisscross the strap a little bit for support. See what I mean? So you have to crisscross the strap. I'm checking it out, you guys. I'm checking it out. I don't see any scratches on the hardware around the top part up here where it says Chanel around the curve here on this silver part. Let's see. I do believe this bag was Chanel made in Italy. You guys, there's nothing I can say. I can't complain because it's gorgeous. It's what I've been waiting for. So you guys, I want to thank you for sharing this moment with me. This was a true moment. So you guys, I will come back and do a video on what's in my bag, because I'm sure if you've seen my last video, you've seen all the small leather goods I have to match my bag. So you guys, I want to say thank you for taking this journey with me, and your girl will try to come back and do another video next Sunday. Today is Monday, April 29th. I am late. I was supposed to do my video yesterday, but because we had so much going on, and then we went to see the Avengers Endgame, which was a 3-hour movie. And then by the time I got home, I had to get ready for work. And then Games of Thrones. Yeah, it wasn't going to happen yesterday. So I had to come on here today and just do the thing because I couldn't wait anymore. But you guys, until the next time, your girl is out. Remember to always subscribe, leave a comment, share your message. I do return messages. So until the next time.